The weather wasn't cooperating, or was it? It was raining hard heading into the Dirt University Open Shakedown, and the dirt course was muddy and slippery for rally driving students. This race weekend shows us the highlights of students practicing what they learned of driving on dirt courses.
Dirt University Open Shakedown po is our first shakedown event. After a few clinics, nag-request na siya mga students namin na maybe we can try to to practice our skills naman independently, and of course an open track for all. So this time naghalo yung mga experienced drivers to the ones na medyo experienced, and kahit yung mga first time drivers, halo-halo sila today to share the fun sa dirt and share tips alongside with each others. And of course, yun nga, to test out kung ano yung mga natutunan nila sa mga clinic sessions namin before.
Itong Dirt U Shakedown is an open session, open for all. Medyo malapit siya sa culmination ng tinuturo ng mga instructors ng Dirt University sa mga rally clinics. So ito ay parang sharing ng tips and knowledge ng mga mas magagaling na sa rally, no, na pinaghalo dun sa mga baguhan at dun sa mga medyo interested lang na sumali o kaya makita kung kaya ba nilang tumakbo sa dirt.
Today we've had at least 16 drivers in varying levels of experience. So halo-halo na yung amateurs, yung pros, pati yung mga newbies natin. And meron pa tayo mga drivers na who just came to spectate but then decided to register kasi they felt like it was a safe place to try out rallying today.
Actually, itong Dirt University, matagal nang lumilitaw sa Facebook ads ko to. Tapos yun yung mga rally clinic nila. Tapos ngayon nakita ko, open shakedown, bring your own vehicle, tapos any vehicle daw. Yun, naisipan ko, gamitin tong pickup namin. Well yun, itong pickup kasi, pang overlanding talaga yan. So, bihira lang yan tumakbo ng mabilis. Usually, slow crawling yan sa mga obstacles, sa mga gubat. Kaya nakakatawa rin, kakaibang experience na matulin yung pagpapatakbo. Kung putikan lang yung hanapin mo, makakahanap ka ng kung ano-anong bakanteng lote sa kung saan man. Pero ito, yun, may layout na merong yung last lap, yung full oval, tas yung figure 8 na first 2 laps. Very interesting, and I'm glad na merong ganito na hindi malayo sa Metro Manila.
It's a good fun experience, and it's an affordable one. It's a good chance to people here to learn the racing technique, especially in the rally. We have a good teacher like Sir Warren, and then Keanu, and then the founder as well. They teach us a lot, and the community is very fun. It's like all people here come to learn, and then we all learning together. We're giving tips and then advice together. So it's not like competition, like battling each other, but it's like more building up each other.
We have upcoming events this November and December, so abangan nyo lang. Meron kaming ipopost sa mga pages namin sa Dirt UPH sa Instagram at Dirt UPH din sa Facebook.
Yes, and we always announce a month earlier, so you'll have plenty of time to check out our dates and schedules po.
Tsaka syempre, kapag merong mga physical exhibits tapos related sa cars or motorsports, abangan nyo. Baka nandun ang Dirt U, syempre pagka nandun kami, approachable naman kami, so tatanungin nyo lang kami kung ano yung pwede nating attendan, and magkakaroon pa ng maraming events in the future katulad ng simulator events at saka mga open game nights para sa lahat.
Dirt University has announced year-end schedules for rally clinics and shakedowns. Check out their Facebook page for more details.